Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing speculation in the context of immigration law analysis from a couple of different points of view, sort of independently of one another. I've gotten a couple of correspondences, and I've actually talked to somebody where folks sort of criticize me for speculating about matters pertaining to not only Thai immigration, but U.S. immigration as well. And my response to that is, well, it's kind of integral to trying to hypothesize what's going to happen in the future with respect to immigration law. And this is, I think this is safe to say in both a Thai and a U.S. context, that immigration law, I think people view it as far more, how do I say, static than it oftentimes is. Especially the interpretive side and especially the practical application of it at any given time. I think this is especially the case with Thailand, where we haven't really actually seen the law itself change, but we've seen the regulatory structure evolve, and we've also seen the practical application of laws evolve quite quickly in some situations. Now, the reason for the video, it's not just like a backlash or anything, but yeah, I make not necessarily predictions on this channel, but I hope that I make it very clear when I am speculating, when I am, I'm not seeing this in black letter anywhere, but I'm simply trying to infer from what we're seeing in the present what could possibly be going on in the future. And quite frankly, I think that's integral to somebody who's, especially where we assist clients with immigration matters, we try to get a feel for what things are going to look like in the future. Now, there's some things people will, especially like processing times, people will contact me and say, well, what kind of processing time do you think it's going to be for this? Well, hard to say. Oftentimes it's really hard to say. I probably would have given an answer in 2019 going into 2020 that was radically different than what I'd give now with respect to estimated processing times on various types of cases. That said, there's certain things that can be predicted to a certain degree of certainty. Let's put it that way, or at least to some degree of certainty. But the thing to take away from this video, and the reason I'm making it, is yes, I understand. I do sometimes engage in speculation as to what I think will be happening, but I try to make it very clear when I do that that is an opinion of what I think may or will or possibly could happen, but it's not necessarily a foregone conclusion.